Welcome to Maafushi, a hidden gem in the Maldives that offers an unforgettable experience without breaking the bank. This island is the heart of budget-friendly paradise in the Maldives, where you can enjoy the beauty of the tropics without the hefty price tag. Just 30 minutes from Mail by speedboat, this tiny island blends local charm with tropical bliss, making it an ideal getaway for travelers seeking both adventure and relaxation. Imagine riding bikes under swaying palm trees, feeling the gentle breeze on your face as you explore the island at your own pace. You'll pass by colorful guest houses painted with the vibrant hues of island life, each one offering a unique and cozy place to stay. It's the perfect mix of local culture and lush tropical scenery, where traditional Maldivian architecture meets the natural beauty of the island. And let's talk about the beach. Maafushi boasts some of the most stunning beaches in the Maldives. From chilling on Bikini Beach, where you can soak up the sun and enjoy the crystal clear waters, to chasing dolphins on an exciting boat tour, and diving into coral gardens teeming with vibrant marine life, Maafushi is a water lover's dream come true. The crystal clear waters beckon you to dive in and explore the underwater world where colorful fish and stunning coral formations await. Feeling hungry after all that fun? Grab a refreshing coconut shake from a local vendor, or feast on fresh seafood, all while enjoying the breathtaking view of the Indian Ocean right in front of you. As the sun sets, beach cafes with twinkling fairy lights set the perfect scene for a relaxing evening. But that's not all. How about a picnic on a secluded sandbank, where you can enjoy a private slice of paradise, or snorkeling with reef sharks for an adrenaline rush? And nothing beats a sunset cruise to end the day, dancing on a boat with new friends as the sky turns shades of pink and orange. Maafushi isn't just a destination, it's a feeling. Ready to explore? Maafushi awaits, offering you an unforgettable adventure in the heart of the Maldives.